Hi all, welcome to this course in PPC. They will be learning the modules in ERP. Basic modules of ERP system are the human resource, inventory, sales and marketing, purchase, finance and accounting, customer relationship management, engineering or production, and the supply chain management. When collaboration of all these parts or all these subsystems are properly done, then there will be a successful implementation of ERP system. The ERP system or the core ERP modules consists of sales, purchase, financials, inventory control, and the manufacturing. And based upon this, we'll be having the departments, customer relationship management, HR management system, quality, plant maintenance, and the final warranty which is required on the products and even the services. So the ERP modules or the parts are generally divided into supply chain management, manufacturing resource planning, which is MRP II, human resource management, financial resource management, customer relationship management. And based upon all this data, we'll be having the ERP modules. Hence, whenever we have this ERP or the proper functioning of ERP, we can manage the human resources, we can manage the material requirement, we can manage the production, we can manage the quality, finance and costing, service, inventory management, and even the planning. So all these products or all these systems which produce a product even in large scale can be managed or properly organized by utilizing this ERP. Thank you.